Hello everyone, this is Harsh, the tech guy, and this video is related to Windows tips and tricks. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use emoji in Windows 10. Nowadays, emojis can be very useful in expressing your emotions and helping in your communications and in your moods. So after watching this video, you will be able to use emoji like a pro. So let's get started. So firstly, I am going to show you how to use emoji in the text editor, and you need to open a text editor of your choice, and you can open any of the editor like Word and WordPad, and in my case I will open this sticky notes. Yes, you can see I've opened this sticky notes, and now I will show you how to quickly insert your emoji using the touch keyboard. And the next I will show you how to use emoji using the updated emoji panel. So let's begin with the touch keyboard. In the taskbar option, you can see there will be your keyboard, that is touch keyboard. You can see this is my touch keyboard, and if your touch keyboard is not visible, so simply right click on your taskbar and you can see there is a option show touch keyboard button. So click on this, then your keyboard will be visible to your taskbar. And now click on this icon to open this. So I have opened this, and now you can see in the left of the spacebar select the emoji button, and yes, you can see these there are the different categories available on this panel, and this is the recently used. I have used these emojis, and these are the different categories you can see. Now select a category any of you want, and let's say I'm selecting this category, and now click on any of the emoji. Let's say I have clicked this. You can see the emojis are displaying on my text document, and by this process you can use your emoji using the keyboard panel. Now the next I will show you the easier steps to insert emoji using the emoji panel. So let's close this, and to open it, now press the Windows plus dot key on your keyboard. So I am opening. Yes, you can see this is the updated emojis panel. Now there are three tabs. In the top you can see this is the emoji tab, and this is the KO emoji, and this is the symbol. So let's open the emoji tab, and here you can see same, that is recently used emoji, and the various categories you're showing like this. So now use your emoji and use the emoji you want. Let's say I'm typing this. You can see it is displaying in my text document. So by this process you can use this. Now another way I'm going to show you, you can also use your emoji with your keyboard. So let's select any of the emoji, and now use the arrow key on your keyboard to navigate. Let's say you can see I am navigating my key, and emoji you can see it is displaying. So to select any of the emoji, click on the enter. You can see I have entered and it is displaying in my text document. So this is the process you can navigate your emoji with your keyboard. Now the another easier way to type your emoji, to I'm going to show you. So in your text document you can type anything. Let's say I am typing angry. You can see the angry emojis are showing here. So let's another yes, you can see I have typed the love and the emojis are showing here, and let's type another. And next I have typed kiss. You can see the emojis of the kiss are showing. So this is the process, and you can insert your emoji by the typing. So doing this way it's make really easy. Okay, now at last I am going to show you the pro tips. So you can use the emoji. So emojis are not just for texting and in for the commenting this section. You can even use your emoji in the names of your files and folders on Windows 10. So quickly I'm going to show you how to do this. Let's say I have this file and I want to insert emoji here. So right click on this and rename this, and by the same process press Windows plus dot and the emoji panel will appear here, and select any of the emoji you want to rename your file. Let's say I am want to this, and I have selected this and press yes. Now I have renamed this file as Inomi and click enter. You can see instead of big name and size, you will notice it is small and it is looking so cool. So this is the process you can insert your emoji in your file. And this we have done. Now go and enjoy and play around with your emojis. So thanks for watching this video, and now you know that how to use emoji like a pro. So if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.